Hi everyone, welcome to
The Together Tribe. It's like a ritual that you will start with this and I have to say Together Tribe.
yes. I am Sukhmani.
And I'm Neha.
So we have been watching Attack on Titan, and last we saw season 2 episode 10, and right now like we are in such a hurry because we only have like 30 minutes for
30
this.
minutes, yes.
So we're like, let's just get into the video. We just watched it this morning, so it is kind of fresh in our minds. So without any further ado, let's start with our reaction to season 2 episode 11. Oi.
Is it recording now? It's recording now?
Uh-huh. Oh, yes.
Or
Like, this is such a elite move
I
from
know.
them. He's just running. Colossal Titan is slow.
yeah, because he's huge,
Yeah,
no?
he saw like they're trying to run away. Oh,
Oh god, oh god.
and the other Titans are coming.
そんなつもりはないケペラはよく戦っている兵士を本部に伝えよ鎧の巨人がエールを連れて逃げる気だなんと
Oh, this is so charged.
Oh. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. They are so less, yeah.
Yeah, so many like such a small team.
ためらうことなく奴らを必ず殺す私たちの邪魔をするならユミルもその例外じゃないどんな手を使っても必ず
Oh god.
Krista. Oh,
Ew.
yeah.
What just happened? She's turning back? Yeah.
いやヒストリアすまなかった突然やっぱ
How about Hikari?
いや
分かってるだろユミル何しているの私たちはあなたとエレンを助けなくていいこのままじっとしてろ私はライナーとベルトルトについていくお前もだ私と来いこの壁の中に未来はね
Oh, oh.
Oh.
いいかヒストリア壁がそんなに悪いところじゃないお前のことを
Oh, they were talking about the flower, no? In somewhere they when I don't know when this armor titan Ragnar was talking, he was describing about his village, some flowers and all. They were discussing.
Like the place is very
Place.
nice
Ha,
and
ha,
this
ha.
and that.
Yeah, something was there about describing about some flower, yeah, these things, blah blah blah.
I don't know.
Maybe I'm
I didn't catch that. Saying no to Krista, like nobody's gonna say you never should have been born. There, Here-
inside the walls.
not inside the walls. Like outside the walls, everybody is gonna see her like a normal person.
Huh.
Here inside the walls, people are like, you should not have been born. Line.
そりゃ巨人はそんなこと言わないだろうけどすごい勢いで食べようと
So
して
was it trying to
誰にでも感謝の一つや二つはあるだろうそこさえ目をつぶれば割といいやつらなんだよユニル言ってることもやってることもめちゃくちゃでわけわかんないよやっぱりあなたはライナーとベルトルトに脅されているのね
逆
It's the other way around.
そうなんでしょ
She.
は
私も一緒に戦うからこの手を離して
調査兵団がすぐそこまで追ってきてる。すぐに逃げていれば僕らはもっと早く逃げられたはずだ。無茶してクリスタを連れてきたからきっと追いつかれる。ユミル、僕らは何のためにここまでしたんだよ。また気が変わ
This
っ
is
た。
Eren?
No, this is Beltor,
Oh, yeah,
right?
yeah.
クリスタをこの壁の中にとどめるつもりなのか。どうなんだよユミル。
He's trying to convince.
私は昔こいつらの仲間から巨人の力を盗んだ。
Guys, people.
こいつらの力は絶対だ。このままじゃ私は殺される。でもお前を奴らに差し出すことに協力すれば私の罪を不問にしてくれるようこいつらが取り合ってくれると言った。お前が壁の秘密を知るウォール教の重要人物だからだ。私の生まれた家と関係ある。ああ、
Ah.
この世界の状況が変わった時お前といれば近い将来保険になると思っていた。私はあの塔の戦いで死にかけてもう心底嫌になったんだ。死ぬのが怖い。何とかして助かりたいってただ情けなくてお前のため
She's still
だ
lying.
けど
Hmm.
本当は全部私のためだ。頼むよヒストリア。私を助けてくれ。
Why is it so silent?
言ったでしょユミル。
Huh?
何があっても私はあなたの味方だって。
Oops.
Oh.
She lied. She again lied. All this?
Hmm. I think so. I don't know.
Nothing is matching. Oh, he's awake.
Hmm.
Finally. You got to. Oh, what just happened? Oh god. Oh god. Mikasa, no. What was that? Oh!
Went in the mouth.
ユミルを殺さなくては。ユミルを殺さないで。それはユミル次第でしょ。どうする。
Oh god, this is like.
選んで待ってよ。ユミルだってライダーたちに従わないと殺されるの。選択肢なんてないだって。私が尊重できる命には限りがある。そしてその相手は6年前から決まっているので私に情けを求めるのは間違っている。なぜなら今は
Mikasa looks so scary.
I know.
時間がない。
Oh,
あなた
the
は
Eren or Ymir.
どっち。あなたも邪魔をするの。抵抗しないで。死んじゃう。動かないで。
やれろケイレン。暴れるな。
そりゃ無理があるぜ、ベルトルト。そいつを怪しつけるなんて不可能だろ。うるさくてしょうがねえやつだよな。よーくわかるぜ。俺もそいつ嫌いだ。
Oh my god!
Everyone is there.
締めてやろうぜ。なあ、出てこいよ。
ベルトルト返して。なあ、嘘だろ。
Oh god.
ないな。
He still can't believe it.
俺たちのこと騙してたのかよ。もうひでえよ。
These guys have advanced this time, no?
Huh. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4,
And he
5.
has like this.
お前らこのまま逃げ通す気か。そりゃねえよ、お前ら。3年間、一つ屋根の下で苦楽を共にした仲じゃねえか。
These guys still not able to
お
believe
前
it,
の
no?
寝相の悪さは芸術的だったな。いつからかみんなお前が毎朝生み出す作品を楽しみにしてその日の天気を占ったりした。けどよお前、あんなことした加害者が被害者たちの前でよくぐっすり眠れたもんだな。
Emotional.
कौन ही
どうすればみんな
बेचारा
で生き残れるか話し合ったのも、おっさんになるまで生きていつかみんなで酒飲もうって話したのも全部嘘だったのか。なあ、お前らは今まで何考えてた
It's
んだ。
like such deception.
こいつの首をはねることだけに集中して。
Mikasa's like just kill them.
もうエレンは取り返せない。こいつらは人類の害。それで十分。
誰が人なんか殺したいと思うか。
Oh.
Don't tell me.
誰が好きでこんなことをしたいと思うんだよ。人から恨まれて殺されても当然のことをした。
Beltot is like a little bit guilty about doing everything, probably. He's more soft one than Rayna.
僕らは罪を受け入れきれなかった。兵士を演じてる間だけは少しだけ楽だった。嘘じゃないんだ。トミー、ジャン、確かにみんな騙したけど全てが嘘じゃない。本当に仲間だと思ってたよ。
Then why?
僕らに謝る資格なんて
Right
あ
to
るわけ
call
ない
Hogan.
けど、誰かお願いだ。誰か僕らを
Please find us.
見つけてくれ。
エレンを返して。
Mikasa and Eren.
できない。誰かがやらなくちゃいけないんだよ。誰かが
Uh-oh.
自分の手を血で染めないと。お前らそこから離れろ。
Get off it.
信じられねえ。どういうつもりだ、エルヴィン。
Uh-oh.
君を引き連れてきやがった。
Oh.
That's...
There are titans coming from front and from behind. Every side. Even they are trapped in this. The survey corps. Like,
Okay, abilities. Special Titan ability. Some Titan possesses a unique ability. For example, the Colossus Titan can forcefully emit high temperature steam and their body is covered with a hardened skin. The origin of these abilities is unknown.
Unknown.
Everything is unknown.
Erwin is crazy. Oh, look at him. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
What the hell? Disperse.
Oh. He's just bulldozing through.
Oh, dekhi. This looks so scary.
Oh my god.
これからだ。勝利突撃。人類存亡の命運は今この瞬間に決定する。永遠なくして人類がこの地上に生息できる将来など永遠に訪れない。エレンを奪い返し即帰還するぞ。
Oh.
捧げよう。
It's a big mess.
Oh, this is such crazy
big mess.
plan.
Titans are fighting. They are gonna fight Titans. This is unbelievable. Who's this guy?
This is like the military police. They haven't seen the recon corps fighting like this, no? It's like he thinks
Damn.
it's crazy. He thinks it's crazy. I'm talking so loudly.
何が起きてるんだ。
They cannot eat him, no? He's so hard.
Hardened
Yeah.
skin.
こ じゃ自利品なら踏ん張れよベルトルトあと少しあと少しなんだやったぞ手を離した
Acha, he was
Yeah,
just
yeah,
around his
holding.
neck.
巨人が見えるのか誰かあそこまで行けんのかよ
巨人の中をかいくぐって進む
Onward. What just happened?
Really?
He's gone?
No! His arm.
Yeah. He went. Gone, 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 gone. Onward. Damn, 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 damn. This is so sad.
Oh my god, oh my god. Mikasa!
Mikasa, oh my god.
Mikasa is crazy.
Don't tell me. God, what else gonna happen? I'm gonna die just because I went and got captured.
死んじまうオルミン
Armin is.
何も捨てることができない人には何も変えることはできないだろう
Damn, I'm so sad for him.
何を捨てればいい僕の命と他に何を
Oh my god.
What?
いいの二人とも仲間を置き去りにしたまま故郷に帰って
Huh?
兄を置いていくの
Are you leaving Annie
あんな
behind?
ら今極北のユトピア区の
Oh.
地下深くで拷問を受けてるよ
Oh, she's trying to.
彼女の悲鳴
He's trying to do the.
体の傷は治せても痛みを消すことができないことは分かった死なないように細心の注意が払われる中今
Oh.
この瞬間にも兄の体には休む暇もなくさまざまな工夫を施された拷問が
悪魔の末裔が根回しにしてやれ
That they wanted.
Arvind!
Oh, he climbed!
It's. Yeah! He doesn't have an arm. Oh my god. Retreat. Oh.
Krista.
Ah.
やった初めて倒した
Killed my first titan.
早く帰ってご飯にしますよここに居座って
Having dinner.
私はいいのほんといてユミルが私を連れてかないとライナーたちに殺されるって言ったの私を差し出せば許してもらえるって私たちはあっち側に行くつもりなの
なんだかんだってわかるぞ
What just
Oh
happened?
my god.
What just happened?
Like
Oh,
a titan came flying. Oh,
He turned himself.
No, Reinar is throwing titans at them. Oh my god! What the hell?
Eren, Mikasa.
Oh, they fell down. It's the same flowers from the first episode.
Oh. What's the time?
30. Remember this titan?
Oh god, the mom no. Khada si ene.
This was so crazy.
What happened to Erwin? He's gone, no?
No, he was alive. We last saw him fall down from the armored titan after freeing Eren.
Yeah.
Now we don't know where he is. Probably somebody might have saved him. I don't know.
This is crazy. This is super crazy.
Oh my god. This episode was crazy.
This was crazy. Super crazy. It gave me goosebumps.
Yeah, me too.
And the best scene when these titans were heading from both the sides and this troop was also inside. Oh.
Yes, it was like crazy. And now that titan from the first episode, the one who ate his mom.
Now I guess Eren will convert into a titan. To fight that titan, I believe.
Let's see what will happen. But this episode was like so stressful with Erwin. I didn't even remember like this happened in this episode.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, I know what happened, but still. There are so many things that it's kind of meshed together. Now I'm just like, okay. I was watching it like I'm watching it for
The first time. I converted her to first timers.
Yeah.
Nice. This is nice. But I'm just. What will be the. How many episodes, how many seasons are there?
4.
And we are on season 2, almost over.
Yeah. This is the second last episode.
Second last,
then the
huh?
next one is.
What gonna happen in next 2 season? I'm not sure. I'm like crazy, like
This
getting
is
crazy. What will
it's just
happen?
like the storyline keeps getting so complex, no? From where we started and now where we are, and where this series will finish is like a whole another dimension thing.
I know. It was interesting. I loved it.
This episode, right?
I loved it. Too intense and then like too much of anticipation. It was
And, like,
all
yeah.
nice.
And like the thing about Armin doing that thing that they are
Yeah,
torturing Annie and he was smiling like a crazy person
Yeah.
at that moment. And the whole time like Mikasa is like, give Eren back.
Give Eren.
Eren back.
Yes.
Finally they do have Eren back.
And I really like that emotional speech when she was talking with Cristano.
yeah.
Like I had created that space 6 years ago,
Hmm.
and all of that was nice,
Yes.
amazing.
Ho ho ho. This is like I feel like I was holding my breath in the last few moments and just like, okay.
When that Erwin Titan took Erwin, no?
Yeah.
I like them.
Yes.
No, and he was like onwards.
And even like half eaten, he was like
onwards.
Erwin is like one of my favorite characters in the whole show.
Nice.
So, do you have anything else to add? Not right now. I'm just like waiting for the next episode now.
We will see it next. It's just
Like
we'll see
today
it today
only.
only.
There is going to be no more wait for that one.
Definitely.
But we'll post it on the day we post it. So, yes, that was our reaction for season 2, episode 11. We thought this episode was crazy, amazing. And now we're like excited to see what happens with the Titan who came.
I know.
from like the one from the first episode. Oh, that Titan is crazy. The
Crazy.
smiling Titan.
He got a good cheekbones. High cheekbones.
Yes. So that was the reaction. If you guys do like our content, please comment on the videos and let us know what you guys think. And like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next episode. Until then, bye.